3 months from today, Steve Lawson will be in Warren County facing a jury. Lawson's team of attorneys appeared before a judge in Nelson County today. He is one of 3 men charged in connection to the murder of Crystal Rogers. Today, his attorneys warned they won't be ready, while the judge said that's not an option. Shane McAllister and Jessica Farley report from Nelson County.
2025 marks 10 years since Crystal Rogers was first reported missing. Now, her friends, family, and much of the community here in Bardstown are hopeful 2025 is the year they get justice.
In a hearing that lasted less than 10 minutes on Thursday, Steve Lawson's attorney team continued their push to delay his trial, reiterating the large amount of evidence they were handed 6 months ago when they took on this case.
We, as Mr. Lawson's counsel, are currently reviewing the discovery and certainly have concerns about how overwhelming it is given our appointment in August of 2024.
The attorneys believe a trial that plays out before they're ready could lead to a future appeal. They also shared they're worried Steve Lawson himself hasn't had time to read and comprehend the evidence against him. That concern prompted the judge to suggest this unique offer.
I can have him brought up here to the courthouse and we can make things available where he can review whatever he needs to every day between now and the trial date, if that's what it takes.
Last month, the prosecutor filed this document on behalf of Crystal Rogers' family. The document asked for the trial to move forward without any more delays, writing, "Victims' rights shall be respected and protected." Steve Lawson will be tried independently from the other co-defendants in the case because of what the judge calls undue prejudice against Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson, if all 3 were tried together. In court documents, the judge writes, if the 3 defendants were tried together, jurors would hear Steve Lawson's wildly inconsistent testimony, but would not hear why his story has changed so much. On Thursday, Judge Charles Sims, who already agreed to delay the trial once, said he wants this case tried at the Warren County Justice Center on the scheduled date at the end of May.
I'm trying which way I can to get this case to a conclusion because my calendar is brutal for the rest of this year, too.
Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson are scheduled to be tried together at the end of June. For the Ballard family, who filled the gallery behind the prosecutor Thursday, there is a cautious optimism that they're closer to justice today than they ever have been before.
Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson will be tried together at the end of June. Both attorneys on that case had asked for separate trials, but the judge denied those requests, saying the men can be tried together and receive a fair and impartial trial in Warren County. For now, reporting in Nelson County, I'm Shane McAllister, WHAS 11 on your side.
And Steve Lawson's attorneys thanked the judge for the offer to bring him to the courtroom to review that evidence without saying if they'll actually take him up on it. His trial is scheduled to begin May 27th.